ଏପଟୁ କରିବେ କହିବେ କଲ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ।
Page 1, 224.
item number 5, my lords.
अरे disoriented होतुनी कोर्ट रे becomes difficult for you. This is a height of multitasking. 10टा काम एकाठी करिया पड़ियो। अब 2 to 4 डाकिले 5 मेंशन करछंती।
Item number 2 मिला।
आगे
Item number 2.
2 sir. 2 1 sir.
Pray for an adjournment मिला।
The matter was adjourned. The matter is listed for fresh admission. Stop. Earlier was adjourned by the petitioner on 18/2/2026. Stop. Today the matter is again mentioned seeking adjournment. Stop. List in the week commencing. Recommencing this for fresh admission in the week commencing 4/5. Sir Ramdas Achari कर देवे है ना?
Perceive that noting may be ignored because there is no delay in it.
For that sir, oral observation will not do.
On last
You
occasion, your lordship,
maybe you have some other work, so you go ahead. No problem. Voting is in your favor also.
lordship last occasion has already observed that issue. It was in orders.
ଆପଣ ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ବୁଝେଇ ହେବନି ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ବି ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତରେ ଅଛି ଏବେ ସର୍ଟ ସାର୍ରେ ବୁଝେଇ ହେବନି ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ବାଉନ୍ସ ହେଇକି ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛି ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ କି ସ୍କ୍ୱାସ୍ ଭଳିଆ ତ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏନି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି ନୋଟିଂଟା ରହିଲେ ତାହେଲେ କାହିଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯେବେ ଆଡଜର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ କିଛି ଆପଣ ଫେଭରରେ ତ ଅଛି।
Page 2, 5 to 13.
Mr.
Item
Your name sir?
My lords, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Ramesh Chandra Raut. My name is Divya Ranjan Bari.
Look it brief କହିବେ ଦିବ୍ୟ ରଞ୍ଜନ ବାରିକ ଆଗରୁ କେତେ ଜଣ ଦେଇଛି କହୁଥିଲେ କଣ ଲର୍ନେଡ କାଉନସିଲ ଶ୍ରୀ ଦିବ୍ୟ ରଞ୍ଜନ ବାରିକ ସେମିତି କହିବେନି ଦିବ୍ୟ ରଞ୍ଜନ ବାରିକ କହିବେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଦିବ୍ୟ ରଞ୍ଜନ ବାରିକ ଅନ୍ ବିହାଫ ଅଫ ରମେଶ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ରାଉତ ଆଇଟମ 5 ହେଲା
मेरा आइटम 13
ଜଣେ ରମେଶ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ରାଉତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଦିବ୍ୟ ରଞ୍ଜନ ରାଉତ ଦେଖିଲେ The adjournment is sought for on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner. It आगुर के लिस्ट ही नथला
No, my lords.
5 तक पोस्टिंग कर दियो ऑर्डर दरकार ऑर्डर करे समय
Item 10 my lord.
ठीक है
27 4 वो कानून 27 4.
आपण 27/4 रे प्रेस ठीक है 27/4 ठीक है
Obliged.
मैडम केते कहतली
आइटम 13 आई प्रेफर adjournment
13
बोलो
मिस मिश्रा
Item 10 my lord.
और 10 टाको करंट
Here my lord, noting is that requisites filed late. My only suggestion is that let the notice be accepted my lord.
ओके they should verify and proceed
My lord. Interim order is there my lord.
yes
Interim order is there my lord.
yes but this order will be passed when the matter reaches. I am not passing any orders. Yes
I'm here. My lord.
no difficulty 13 after notice में 13 में मिस दास
आई प्रेफर adjournment
13 ना पोस्ट कर दियो
वो commencing 4/5.
obliged
Item 14 minor.
वन सेकंड पेज 2 रे के रहले 5 ରୁ 13
Item 14.
आपन पेज 3 पेज 3 आइटम 14 मिस्टर दास
I have received the copy of the counter affidavit. Want to file a rejoinder.
पोस्टिंग कर दियंतु 14 टा
वो commencing 11/5.
11/5 वीक सर यस
8 my lord.
again
Item 8 my lord.
oh sorry I don't know what is happening. I am unable to locate the 13 14 कहले केते कहले
8
ओ सर 3 थर मु निजे कहलेनी सर 5 ରୁ 13 other side मेमोटा ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Yes, ma'am.
record you are Mr.
Ranjan Barsa.
RK Sahoo ठीक है the order will be passed when the matter reaches yes next
17.
17, Mr. Ray,
And for the offer, but.
So Tripathi.
Time to- by the-
17 after notice नहीं की पोस्टिंग कर दियो डेट कर
वही कौन सी 11/5
मतलब item 18.
entry model is not interfered, so simply posting it in the computer that saves time.
Item 18, Lordship.
If adjournment अच्छी the matter shall be adjourned beyond so and so सेवड़ा का mention कर ले all दक्कन. Yes,
Item 18, Lordship. On
Yes,
behalf of Mahinder Kumar Mahapatra, Lordship.
yes.
I have taken the concern of the opposite party, my lord, Mr. Ansari, who was in
Both matters to be posted.
adjournment.
Date कर दियो तो.
I prefer adjournment on the month of May,
11/5
your lordship.
हमारा item 20 वाला
One second.
Item 69.
So paste as it को. 16 कौन तो? 16 को लेना.
Back to second half.
16 टा posting करो तो.
My lord, last occasion he was also taken adjournment.
Eh?
Last occasion,
Mr. Sangram Mishra.
my lord, last
ये
occasion,
पूछो थी.
Sir, hospital white operation is the hospital.
ଏଠି ଜଣଙ୍କର ଭାଇ ପଇସା ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ବୁଝିଲେ କି
Short date
ତ ସେଇ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଟା ଯଦି ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଗୋଟେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହବନି ଜଣଙ୍କର ଭାଇ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆର୍ଜନ ହବ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କର ଭାଇ ପଇସା ପାଇବେନି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆର୍ଜନ ହବ ତାଙ୍କର ବି ଅପରେସନ ଦରକାର ଥାଇପାରେ you must get the context
short date.
short ଆଜି today is the best date Mr. Mishra medical ground କହୁଛନ୍ତି
second,
But be considerate about others, other ladies also. Must understand that the world, we are celebrating Women's Day, but celebrating and everything about not caring. Kebe.
on the second week of April.
Paper your second week.
Again.
27/4
27 ରେ ଆସିବ
Right.
Satyavrata Mahapat.
ସତ୍ୟବ୍ରତ ପାଢୀ
Mahapat.
on behalf of Swarup Mahapatnaik.
Again.
Yes.
Page 4 item 22-24
वाला item 20 वाला on the opposite party civil of the Mr.
Mr. Abhilash Mishra is there. I can
My lord,
date fix kariye.
not that, my lord, maintenance is case is there. Maintenance has been denied.
Already we have
Next
filed the
figure.
written note. We have already filed the written note.
Written note ଦରକାର नहीं.
We have already both are.
ସମୟ ଫାରୁକି ପଢନ୍ତୁ ରିଟର୍ନ ନୋଟ ପଢିବା ତ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଡିସିସନ ଦିଟା ପଢି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Yes.
ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର କ୍ୟାରିୟର ୱିଲ ବି ପଢିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ରିଟର୍ନ ନୋଟ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସମୟ ଫାରୁକି
Ah, yes, we have already filed.
ସାଇଟେଡ ସମୟ ଫାରୁକି
Yes.
ସାଇଟେସନ କେତେ
Citation.
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ବାଇ
We have filed different citation.
ହଁ ସମୟ ଫାରୁକି ଏଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଚେକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ
Citation memo we have filed. Twelve number of citation we have filed.
ଆରେ 12 ନମ୍ବର ନ ସମୟ ଫାରୁକି ସାଇଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସ୍କୋପ ଅଫ ରିଭିଜନ ରେ କୋଉଟା ସେଟ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତ 21 କରିଦେଇ ପାରିବି
That's it.
कहीं पे नहीं है कहीं पे निशाना है प्रॉब्लम यह हो रजनीश वर्सेस नया सेट करछंती
हाँ, Rajneesh State.
को पैराग्राफ या वाइट पाइबनी बोली ठीक अछि
Next to
this is the problem sir next week no today also it can be done but
Yes.
2 months after also can be done but you must understand when you are frustrating a court's order there are certain limitations execution ने कोटा सेट करछ एक 12 टा आपण 12 टा सेट करले गोटे भी नॉट ऑन द पॉइंट लाभ कोन होबो ताले सब बेले गोटिए साइड करिवे जोटा कि बेस्ट इन योर फेवर सी तागर साइड करे गोटे
नहीं से अब
रिसर्च करिकी रिसर्च करे अर्थ नु जे 15 टा जजमेंट लिखिबा साइड करिबा योर मैटर विल टेक 5-10 minutes that is enough for a revision scope of revision कोन whether high court can interfere to what extent it can interfere सेटा अपन साइड करना है लीडिंग डिसीजन जोटा कि इट हैज बीन सर्कुलेटेड बाय 142 डायरेक्शन वन आर्टिकल 142 कोन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया yes what yes sir when you are practicing in a constitutional court like high court you must remember the basic provisions in constitution Article 142 is the law of the land. So those decisions where Supreme Court has issued guidelines, that is the law of the land. That may be reviewed subsequently, but as far as High Court is concerned, that is how you have to assist me. I have to be educated or not. But this is having I am asking you so many things. About Baroda side kole, but be not on the point.
I have not taken all the decisions, that is the whole.
Not. With age and experience, you have to remember principles and citations also. Citation page दरकार नहीं क्या आजिकल सब अपन नाटा मन रहे हम अपन पढ़ी ना असल कथा 12टा पढ़ी जोड़ा कि यू हैव वेस्टेड योर टाइम नॉट रीडिंग द मोस्ट बेसिक अपन जो ए जुरिसडिक्शन रे ए सब्जेक्ट मैटर डील करछंती ए दि तीनटा डिसीजन अपन देखिया पड़ियो एग्जीक्यूशन रे को डिसीजन
Execution proceeding तो pending नहीं, already disposed of.
ता पूर्वरु स्ट्राइक अपन हाई कोर्ट इंटरफेयर करछ So, anyway, they have rejected. So, you have to justify that you have to prove, I mean, place before the court that applying Rajneesh versus Neha, this is correct. Then he has to answer. Wait for them.
Second week of April, my lord.
Second week of April, बहुत बड़े अच्छे. 27 रे रखिबे
My lord.
27 रे रखंतु देखियो केते एप्रिल 300 रखिछ he has cost 300
My lord.
300 माने only posted ମାନେ जो स्पेसिफिक अर्जन को नांती
Again.
स्पेसिफिक अर्जन ऑलरेडी 300 क्रॉस कर सारे yes
Item number 21, my lord.
yes please
I am the opposite party.
Mr. Sundarai was here 21 Sundarai mention करले पता
On behalf of
हाँ तो डेट कर दियो तो 21
we can say 11 no.
yes
Item 28, my lord, on behalf.
28
My lord, on
से 28 से पेज पे हमें जाएंगे
Page
24 की गल 24 आप के रहले अपन जो पेज ता कॉल कला पूर्व आइटम ता कॉल करो बेले बेले पेज जाई परना 22 24 then 20 page 5 item 25 to 31
My lord, item 25 on behalf of Mr. Das Gandhi, some time may be given for filing of the.
other side to inform करो
My lord, I have already informed.
yesterday somebody was waiting till almost 4 p.m. You must understand they are waiting for you because it's after notice matter yes 28 डेट करो
we can say 11
I am through BC. Kindly permit item number 27. I am for the petitioner and opposite party is also present in this case. Madam, may kindly take up this matter in any of the day because I am out of Cuttack and my file is also not with me.
no you want adjournment or hearing sir madam
Adjournment, madam.
okay take it 27 डेट करो
we can say 11
11 5 week
2 and 3.
Madam, may kindly interim order is there. Madam, may kindly
no the matter is wherever the interim order is there it is a order is stay or posting day, I mean adjournment order
madam for adjourn.
27 रे interim order टा कोन अछि
Just continue.
बुझी पड़ता
Means
किबे डेट करले
we can say 11
interim order is there. Madam, may kindly extend that.
सेटा आपण कहला परे my response to you is that what is the interim order that you are not answering
Madam, till that 27,000 is recovery for the OP.
अरे interim order मैडम आपण मो कथा सुबुनी बोते
Madam, just unable to follow, madam.
can you hear me
Madam,
you are at okay
Burger. Madam.
I am appearing for OP number.
after the order is uploaded you must look at the order you need not second guess the order and say and the court will ask what is the order you want extension what is the order you have to be asked then you are saying I am unable to follow
My lord,
Interim order is there. So interim order is not varied or modified. It is not tossed even. Yes. We commencing 11-5. I am not passing any order. You must understand. I am just. It is being posted in the computer.
my lord.
Yes. That is how time is saved. ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି sir?
Sir, today I am appearing for OP number 2 and 3.
ସେଇଟା mention ରହିପାରିବନି. It has to be judicial order when the matter reaches.
Yes, sir.
If you are there and the matter reaches, because there is a truncated day today,
My lord.
already some time has been lost also. So please, that order I don't pass. Out of turn, no orders are being passed. If you are there, or you can filing of wakalatnama, you can check whether it is tagged. That's it. Yes. Next.
Much obliged, my lord.
Item 1.
And for the respondent number 4, my lord.
This is not related to the yesterday's matter.
No, my lord, this is another matter. This is that matter in which,
This
my
is
lord,
your local chamber, I think.
my lord.
You have your chamber there.
One minute.
2015 matter. You are having your chamber at the. I mean, this is from which place?
It is from Sundargarh, my lord.
Sundargarh. You are having your chamber.
No, my lord.
You don't have a chamber.
I am from Bargarh district, my lord. Mr. P.K. Patel was the conducting counsel in the reference case, my lord. In Sundargarh.
कौन करिया मिस्टर साहू मिस्टर महांती तो के आसापियर कौन नांती 2015 मैटर आवरी अर्जन करिया तारीख पे तारीख बढ़िया
It can be dismissed for default, my lord.
I think that's the best solution.
My lord.
ଆପଣ କରିବେନି କହିବେ ଯେ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଟେକ୍ ଅପ୍ ହଉନି ଲିଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଥକି ଗଲେଣି ଏଥିରେ ଚିଠି ଦିଆରି ଆସ ଚିଠି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ ଇନଫରମେସନ ସବୁ ଦିଆ ସରିଲାଣି
ସବୁ ଦିଆ ସରିଲାଣି ତଥାପି ଯଦି ନ ଆସିବେ
the matter is listed under the heading for referral to special mediation right ଲେଖିବେ ଆପଣ କେସ୍ ବ୍ରିଫ୍ ପାଇଗଲେ ପାଇଗଲେ non appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Opposite party appearance देखिए appearance लिखूँ तो petitioner none Mr. P.K. Mahanti AC for 1 and 2 G.N. Sahoo for 4. The matter is listed today under the heading लिख लो आप लिखिए The appeal was presented on 22/12/2015 and in the last 10 years it was listed once on 20/1/2016 before the Register Judicial for removal of defect No, empty लिखନ୍ତୁ ସେ sentence କାଟନ୍ତୁ It was listed once on 20/1/2016 when the Register Judicial issued notice for the non-appearing respondents. After defects were removed and appeal was admitted. Thereafter, it was listed almost after 10 years, after more than 10 years on 16/3/2026. When the following order was passed by this bench, so it reproduce कर दूँ para. Today, none appears for the appellant. The appellant is also absent on repeated calls. Stop. pursuant to the order dated 16/3/2026, the registry has made efforts to intimate the counsel for the appellant telephonically, intimating the next date, that is the listing date today. Stop. Copy of the order dated 16/3/2026 has also been forwarded in the WhatsApp number of the allotted counsel for the appellant. Stop. Substitution for regarding steps for steps for substitution regarding the respondent number 4 has not yet been taken. Para. As directed by order dated 16/3/2026, the Lord AAC has received soft copy of the TCR na appeal memo kon nele. Mr. Mahanti, apna kota receive karchandi? TCR. Soft copy of the TCR has been handed over to the Learned Additional Standing Counsel for the state. In considered opinion of this court, sufficient opportunity has been given to the appellant to prosecute the matter. Stop. However, to grant further opportunity, list under the same heading on 4/5 रे केबे डेट करछंती 4/5/2026 आज केते हेची
আজি
26 तारीख in the week commencing 6/4/2026 indicating that the matter shall be disposed of. Yes, please.
item 3
टूटा डाकिलियन तो आचार्य साहब का ऑर्डर पे कर देवे. So Ramdas Acharya, madam, just give me. So she mentioned regarding that IA. So since he was, I don't know, for whatever reason he adjourned but mentioned the IA. So Ramdas Acharya for the petitioner. से ऑर्डर टा अपन लिखी चंते ना तापर IA टा ऐड कर देवे खाली IA रे ऑर्डर टा कर दे. IA होची 73 of 2026. The IA has been filed for condonation of delay in filing the revision application. So IA has been filed actually. Revision ta likhna hai. The IA has been filed under chapter -VI rule -27 into bracket small a of the Orissa High Court rules read with section 5 of the Limitation Act for condonation of delay in filing the revision application. Sentence completed. Para. As for the stamp report dated 11/2/2026, there is no delay has been reported in filing the revision. Stop. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he doesn't praise the application. Stop. Para. The application stands disposed of. Yes, madam. That's my
item 3
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is a case for transfer of the proceeding filed by the opposite party from Family Court Balishur.
Actually, madam, actually that one line,
My lord,
convenience of the wife,
my lord,
is nowhere in the statute.
my lord.
Statute is just the opposite. If you read section 24, Section 24, kindly look at section 24 CPC, or to save time, I'm just speaking to you. Just kindly consider this. So then you have a copy of that judgment.
2016 rule.
Correct. So in that judgment, what I was telling you,
My lord.
what is the convenience of wife has not been given any discussion.
My lord.
Now, if you look at CPC, section 24, 24 says that court has power to transfer at the instance of any of the parties.
My lord.
And interestingly, looking at convenience of both the parties.
My lord.
So this interpretation has to be in context of 24. So there I need your assistance so that I'll be educated.
My lord.
That this observation, because this is online, because the other counsel, I mean, they are busy also. They said that we do not find. Day before yesterday, I can tell the name of the counsel, who is very busy counsel.
My lord, and
Because there is no elaboration on this, because the statute is very specific, convenience of both the parties. Now, if you look at section 9, CPC, section 19 of Hindu Marriage Act, it is very clear. The husband can file. Now, this court every time how to will interdict the husband in filing a suit anywhere of his choice.
I am for the
So many times it is argued, I am appearing for the lawyer is saying I am appearing for the unfortunate husband.
wife. I am for the wife.
Whenever a husband files a suit, a transfer application is filed.
My lord.
Which is the provision to be looked at? 24. 24 is that convenience of the parties.
My lord.
So now if it is transferred to another case, then how the court will take care of the convenience of the parties? It is in plural. CPC देखिए ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଆଜି ସମୟ କମ ଅଛି ଦେଖିପାରିବେ
State.
ଆପଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କେସରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏଠାରେ କୋଉ ଲାଇନଟା ପଢିଲା କରୁଛନ୍ତି This I have taken the prints.
My lord.
ଆପଣ ଇଏ ସୁବିତା ସିଂ versus ସଞ୍ଜୟ ଏଆର 2002 ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ସେଦିନ ଆଣୁ ନଥିଲେ ଡିସିସନ ଟା କହିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା ଦେଖିବେ ନା ଆଉ You are now sufficiently senior to educate me. Sumita Singh to examine karantu.
My lord.
Whether section 24 has been discussed.
Now, my lord, the petitioner come to the SCB Medical College for training for a period of 5 months.
Training by aga provision nahi.
No, she is staying at
training na ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ petition file ହେଇଛି ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ସମ୍ବଲପୁର କେସ୍ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇଯାଉ
No, she is now.
ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ହେଉଛି ବରଗଡ଼ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ବରଗଡ଼ରେ ସେକ୍ସନ 24 ଏଠି ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ବରଗଡ଼ରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରରେ ପଢିବି ତାପରେ PhD କରିବେ ସେ କୋଉଠି ସେଟା ଫେର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହବ
No, PhD I am for
ଆପଣଙ୍କର SCB ରେ ଯିଏ ଯୋଉଠି ପାଠ ପଢିବ ସେଇଟା jurisdiction ସେଟା କୋଉ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନରେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରେଫର କରିବି
ଏଠି ପଢିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଠି ରହିଛି I am for the opposite party and the petitioner is the wife.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ବୋଲି ସେଟା
ସେଇ କଥା
ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Sir, sorry.
ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମତେ କହିଲେ ୱାଇଫ SCB ମେଡିକାଲ କଲେଜରେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ କେସଟା ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାଇଁ
HOD ଅଛନ୍ତି ଫିଜିଓଲୋଜି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଝାରସୁଗୁଡାରେ and now SCB medical କୁ ସେ ରେଗୁଲାର ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି and thereafter the opposite party who is the husband he is staying at Banswal Keonjhar medical officer at Keonjhar but instead of filing the case at Keonjhar he was filing the case
ଆପଣ କେସରେ ଜିତିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ନା ହାରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁ sir reunion not
ୟୁନିୟନ ପାଇଁ କୋଉଠି ହେବ
ଏଇଠି କଟକରେ
କଟକ କାହିଁକି ହବ ସେମିତି ହେଲେ I must understand that is a distorted interpretation of law. Every court has jurisdiction for counseling. ଆପଣ counseling process କରିସାରିଲେଣି counseling କେମିତି do you have power under 13
ଆଗ notice ଟା issue ହେଲେ ଏଠି ହୋଇପାରନ୍ତା thereafter
notice issue କରିବା ପାଇଁ some semblance of law ରହିବା ଦରକାର I do not have 13 power. How I will direct conciliation? Then why the family court? You must understand why the statute has instilled the power in the family court, not before the High Court. Statutory ଯୋଉଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି କୋର୍ଟ କାଉନସିଲର କୋଉଠି ପୋଷ୍ଟିଂ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
ସେଠି ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରରେ
କଟକରେ କେମିତି ହବ
ନାଇଁ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରରେ
ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପୁରା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଟା ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମାଂସପାଳ କେଉଁଝରରେ ଯୋଉଠି ସେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ସେଠି କାଉନସିଲର ଅଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରରେ ଫାଇଲିଂ ହେଇଛି ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
ଆପଣ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରରୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଏନିୱେ ସରି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଦି ତିନିଟା ନା କଲେ
Eh,
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଡିଟାଚ ହେଇକି କେସଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶୁଣିବେ ଚେମ୍ବରରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଠୁ ତାପରେ ଲ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ।
my lord,
ସିଏ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ଫିଜିଓଲୋଜି, ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ କି? ଆପଣ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ଲ।
my lord.
ଲ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ କେମିତି? ସେକ୍ସନ ଆଗ ଦେଖିବେ, ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଦେଖିବେ, ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟସ ଦେଖିବେ। ଆପଣ ଯଦି କହିବେ ଯେ କାଉନସିଲିଂ ସେଣ୍ଟର ଇନ କଟକ ଇଜ ବେଟର, ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
Now the petitioner filing a section 9 case at Kotak
କଟକରେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ,
file କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚାକିରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି?
ସେ ଏବେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼ରେ।
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 ହଁ
ସୋ
ସେ ଆସିବ।
ତାର କିଛି ଲଜିକ ନାହିଁ। ଆପଣ ସେକ୍ସନ 19 ପଢିଛନ୍ତି? କଣ ସେକ୍ସନ 19 ରେ କଣ ଅଛି? So this is how you ଆପଣ ଆଗ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ସେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଡିସିସନ ଦେଖିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ।
Till then ଏଟା 6/4 କେ ଅଛି। Till that day
I cannot frustrate the proceeding on this ground.
6/3 ରେ ଥିଲେ and the date was posted for 6
adjournment पे prepare କରନ୍ତୁ।
ମାନେ नहीं 6 March को date was posting, but on that day the honorable family judge Balesar was absent due to some thereafter counseling was not made at Balesar.
6/4 ରେ କାଉନସିଲିଂ ହବନି ବୋଲି I cannot interdict.
Yes, on that সেই point পর্যন্ত থাও, on that day পর্যন্ত
No.
till 6/4 পর্যন্ত।
No. You have no case to, the only possible order is dismissal of your application. A professor in physiology wants her convenience at Cuttack, works in Sundargarh. That is not, that nowhere it is written in the statute.
Now he was transferred.
Section 19 में कौन अच्छी? कोई provision है section 19 में refer करছি? Section 19 होची Hindu Marriage Act, territorial jurisdiction is written. Section 9 में कोठी अच्छी? कोठी section 9 जो तेरे की territorial jurisdiction अच्छी?
Restitution for conjugal right for as the opposite party family.
Territorial jurisdiction of the suit to be tried in any court. Who section?
Section 19 territorial jurisdiction.
Section 9 of CPC. अब देखो तापरे से सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसीजन देखो कोन जी जोटी प्रोफेसर रहिबे सुंदरगढ़ से ताकर एठी हाई कोर्ट आसीबे, then why she cannot go to Baleswar?
As because the opposite party Bodabapa and Bodama, they are tortured as the petitioner is
टॉर्चर करचंती
सेठी
आपण बुझिबा दरकार जे जदी टॉर्चर पे जाउ नांती हु विल आपण से जदी सेटा कोर्ट इज पिटिशन देबे, रिटन स्टेटमेंट कोर्ट देबे टॉर्चर होचंती बोली बालेश्वर गले।
I have annexure 2 my lord।
annexure 2 रे कोन टॉर्चर हैला?
से माने
आपण प्रिपेयर होंतु, डोंट टेल द स्टोरी। गोटे दुखभरी कहानी जेतोले आपण क्लाइंट आसी कहिले आगो स्टैट्यूट देखिबे, को प्रोविजन अछि देखिबे, कोन पिटिशन फाइल हेची देखिबे। नो केस
as the petitioner is a doctor service for mankind।
डॉक्टर मनकर कटक बोली को प्रोविजन अछि?
ने कटक
You must understand, service for mankind. So the husband is not a man, is not a person, human being. अपन जदि मु सपोज इटा डिक्टेशन देबी अछि जे the doctor is serving mankind, so it should be taken up at Cuttack. Then what about the other husband? He is not a human being.
he is also a human being।
So you read section 9, 19, everything. Make up a case.
But my lord, there is a law।
अपन problem कोन छि कहले अपन गोटे स्पीच दोछथि। We are not here to, we are not playing to the gallery. This is not a debate forum for debate. This is a forum for discussion of nuanced legal subject.
My lord,
Humankind, service to mankind is service to God. Doctor serving as a serving mankind. सेटा को प्रोविजन रे अछि? कोठी पाइले सेटा को? That makes the subject very difficult and abstract. आपनकर job is very simple being a lawyer. Go to the basics, first principles. गोटे सूट फाइल हैला, सूट रे कोटे टेरिटोरियल जुरिसडिक्शन कोठी अछि? स्पेशल स्टैट्यूट अछि एचएमए, हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट, तारो कोठी प्रोविजन अछि? ट्रांसफर प्रोविजन कोटा सेटा देखिबे, then you argue. And it is not that everyone becomes, आपनकर someday you will receive the brief, maybe 20 briefs. You have to argue those 20 briefs. You are now sufficiently senior in the bar. The petitioner has adjournment to the learned counsel for the petitioner ଆପଣ ଏଟା appearance order number 1 ରେ ଯାହା appearance ଅଛି ସେୟା ହେଲା. The learned counsel for the petitioner produces the copy of the judgment rendered by the coordinate bench in Anita Patnaik versus Aurobindo Shukla. Colon 2006. ये आपका relation की?
My lord.
ये जो petitioner जे आपका relation से?
No, my lord.
ताल काहे की? Why you are identifying yourself?
My lord.
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କ କଥା ଗୁଡ଼ା ଠିକ ଆପଣ ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ଯେତିକି section ଅଛି ଯେତିକି provision ଅଛି କହିବେ law କହିବେ. You are not seeking. You must understand that you are not seeking any what you call any favor from the court. You are fighting. I am not sitting here. You must understand. You have all the right. You are fighting for somebody's right. How do you discover the right? Find out. Only. In the said decision, judgment of the Supreme Court in 2002, AIR 2002 Supreme Court has been cited. The learned counsel has adjournment to go through the provisions contained in CPC section 5, section 24, and also the provisions contained in the Hindu Marriage Act section 19, and address this court regarding the scope of this court interfering to transfer applications filed by husband before court of jurisdiction. Stop. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the matter before the learned judge family court Baleshwar has been posted to 6/4/2026. Stop. On the said date, the petitioner shall seek adjournment by filing application. Stop. Upon adjournment being sought for, being prayed for, the learned court in season of the matter shall adjourn the matter beyond 27/4/2026 as would be convenient to the learned court in season. Learned court stop kar diyo. Ithar season hai. Stop. The matter shall be listed in the week commencing 24/4/2026 for fresh admission.
Item 4.
This was heard and copy was you could not file wakalatnama. It could not
My
repeat.
lord, they have sent through post, but it is not reached.
Okay. Referring to the order dated 17/3/2026, it is submitted by the Lord Standing Counsel, Mr. Ray, appearing for the opposite parties 124. Samaste.
My lord.
1024. That wakalatnama has been forwarded by the opposite parties by post and he is yet to receive. Stop. He seeks for the time. Stop. Accordingly, the wakalatnama shall be filed within 7 working days. How 7 दिन?
ये काली आसिले भी काली
Anyway, ଆପଣ ଆଜି ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? We file within 7 working days. Yes. What is the instruction?
My lord, the order was passed in the year 2012. Petitioner approached this honorable court in the year 2013. This honorable court granted liberty to file appeal but the petitioner in the year 2014. Until that, the petitioner did not choose to file appeal. And the period of limitation is only 3 years for approaching the statutory forum. That is also expired. And at this stage, that matter cannot be reopened. Only thing, if petitioner
Prays for installments.
then it can be allowed.
Yes, you obtain instruction. file affidavit. Otherwise, what would happen? A younger counsel, younger to both Mr. Mohantis will be chosen. Because in 2012, most likely both of you were not appearing in the matter, or you were appearing. So next time they will find out the youngest counsel. Even Prabhu cannot be some other.
No, my lord, actually,
So you file that affidavit.
my lord, I issued instruction to the advocate to file the case, my lord, but in return, my advocate died. So I could not be in a position.
Both of advocate, it interdicts so many things. That is, I cannot pass that order.
My lord, the corporation.
I cannot.
My lord, the corporation has.
Again, the same as I was discussing with Madam Dasmapatra. Let us discuss law, emotion, sentiment, nature, and so you must understand what you are arguing.
My lord, if
You have violated the High Court's order, frustrated the High Court order. ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଡାଳରେ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଡାଳକୁ ଚୋଟ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ ଆରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଗଡ୍ ଫରବିଡ୍ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ହାପେନ୍ସ ଟୁ ଦ ପର୍ସନ ଦେନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ବି ଏ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 2012ର 13ରେ ରିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା 14ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା 2026 ମସିହାରେ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ସେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ସିନ୍ସ ଦ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଡାଏଡ୍ ଇନ୍ 2019 ଇନ୍ କୋଭିଡ ସେଟା ବି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନଥିବେ
my lord, actually,
let us discuss law, Mr. Mohanty. This is not the way.
my lord, actually, the order was also passed illegally, my lord.
Supreme Court ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ. Still, what's the argument you are making? You should have challenged the High Court order in Supreme Court. You must understand what you have done. And that order, I don't know, could be by division bench. Earlier order?
My lord, the matter.
No, single bench.
My lord, suppose now, if it is a single bench order also, I cannot revisit that in 2026 because somebody has died.
And the period of appeal is for 60 days.
সেটা তো থরে হাইকোর্ট এক্সটেন্ড କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଗଲି ଆପଣ ନହସିକି କହିଦେଲେ ଯେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କଣ କଲେ ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ସେଟା ସେତେବେଳେ ବୁଝିଗଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଗଟ୍ ୟୁର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଥରେ ଏକ୍ସଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ କଲେନି.
The amount under dispute has already been paid. Now it is again demanded with interest.
ତାହେଲେ ରିଟ୍ କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତି?
Present stage.
14ରେ 13ରେ ରିଟ୍ କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରିଟ୍ ରେ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା କି ଯେ 2012ରେ ଆମେ ପଇସା ଯୋଉଟା ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କଲେ you don't mind I speak in Odia ହେଲା so convenient ବି ହଉଛି ତ 2012ରେ 2012 demand 13 you approached the REIT court. If you have taken that stand before the REIT court that we have paid the amount, then they would have filed counter. But REIT court in your presence has directed file appeal. Disposed of in 2014. Now in 2026, second REIT application on the self-same cause, how it will survive or how this, let us assume it will survive. How I will, what order I can pass?
I'll obtain instruction.
ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆଣିକି ଆଉ ଥରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଆଗୋନିକୁ ବଢାନ୍ତୁନି. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଆଜ ଏ ଲୟର ଯେ ଆପଣ ଏଟାକୁ ଆପିଲ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ବା ସେଇ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ନହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଥାନ୍ତେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡକୁ ଆପଣ ମେରିଟ ଆଡଜୁଡିକେସନ କୁ କଲେ ନାହିଁ. ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖୁସି ହେଇକି କେସଟାକୁ ଶୁଣିବେନି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଦ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ. ମୁଁ କଣ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଟେଲ ୟୁ. ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ଡିସ୍କସିଂ ଅନ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ. I am discussing what has happened, the background of the case. 2014, you could have opted for a merit adjudication, but you opted for a disposal or to file appeal. Then they do not take. The lawyer is not responsible also. जो जी भी वकील थिले जे आपनकर कले सेतबे क्लाइंट को जणेले आपण तापर कहउछन जे मु वकील को दिली अपील फाइल करे पे सेटा पर वकील अपील फाइल करे.
My lord, actually what happened is the director who was looking into the matter also, he also died. And the corporation
जो died को कोन माने के अमर देथिला हाई कोर्ट.
No, my lord.
आपण what is this sort of
my lord, no, my lord. Legally
some of our staff never retire. So somebody told me that former Chief Justice has granted stay, so he will never age and retire. कार 40 वर्ष हेलानी कार हाई कोर्ट रे अछंदी एमितिया कोन I must justify minimum semblance of respectability or logic in my order.
My lord, present order.
How this will survive? This doesn't survive common sense. How it will survive judicial scrutiny? Upon जो होता if I direct that way. First of all, what Mr. Nihar Mahanti is saying, both of you are Mahanti, he says that you have paid the amount in 2013. 12 demand, you have paid it. Then why you did not take that stand in 13 and you tolerated the order disposing of and directing you to file appeal? And now the another bench, only the assignment has passed over. The same court remains the same. Then but installment is the only way out. At least that is my understanding now. Because even installment, I don't know whether I can direct. 60 days limitation. Upon limitation, the extend for the High Court. Limitation has been extended. So the दिवर्ष माने 48 मास 24 मास एक्सटेंड कर देले 720 दिन आपण इंस्ट्रक्शन नियंतु से जो केते टका टोटल डिमांड थिला
तीनटा पीरियड रो डिमांड तीनटा पीरियड दुईटा पीरियड दिया है गोटे पीरियड लक्ष्य समड थिला 9 लाख टका
किते आपण हाउ यू हैव स्पॉइल्ड योर माने you could have easily taken that stand by one line application before the authority I have paid it 1 lakh जदि आपण सत कहउचंती बे
ऑलरेडी आई हैव अनेक्स दैट
अनेक्स कोन करले हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर परे ना हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर फुल करथिले
My lord, as per annexure 5, recovery only 20,099 rupees out of entire demand, and now the outstanding is 9 lakh.
20,000 तो interest है की
My lord,
20,000 to that interest has been added to become 9 lakh, or how it has become 9 lakh?
no, with the interest, but now it is come to 9 lakhs.
Initial demand था कितने?
Different period by
20,000 है की मतलब maybe किसी तरह amnesty है की अच्छी की
first period was 72,830 and another period is 1,80,000. Another period is 90,000. This type of
20 plus मतलब 3 लाख घंटा maximum है तो total.
Within 4 lakhs.
The basis of ad hoc calculation. Actually,
आपण sir, when you injure yourself, it is autoimmune problem. Like human bodies at times, you have completely spoiled whatever relief was granted, you have spoiled. Whatever opportunity granted, you have spoiled. What can be done? Is there any kind of OTS or amnesty, or what can be done? What can be done if they pay that amount? Any scheme is there?
Amnesty, this matter cannot be.
No, amnesty you are saying cut-off date is there.
My lord.
But cut-off it is before 30 दिन 2025.
इसे स्कीम भीतर आसुनी.
से नहीं जो धरंतु से प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट दे देबे
सेमति किसी प्रोविजन नाही.
प्रोविजन किसी नहीं. देखो तो अपन इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं take instruction and don't prolong this matter, because again this will 9 lakh will become 19 lakhs. So 3 lakhs have successfully made 9 lakhs by you, by your continuous endeavor. इधर आपन समथिंग लाइक जो आपन दिया होनी आरपीएफएम रे मेंटेनेंस की दोना जेटा से वाला एटीट्यूड करले, बट एठरे प्रॉब्लम होची ये तो वाइफ नो कि कोर्ट नो स्टैट्यूटरी अथॉरिटी. कोर्ट इज अनेबल टू एनफोर्स द मेंटेनेंस अमाउंट. कोर्ट हैज डायरेक्टेड. So wife is unable, but here you are facing a situation where 3 lakh गोटे 2 लाख गोटे केते 2 लाख रु कम आ गोटे टोटल 3 लाख केते होची आपण देबेन बोली भाबी सेटा को विभिन्न बहाना रे विभिन्न समय रे यूटिलाइज दिस मेथड ऑफ कमिंग टू हाई कोर्ट, गोइंग बैक फ्रॉम हाई कोर्ट. And Mr. Mahanti, since I was not saying, and now I will tell you this, you check the dates of death. That will have no relevance as far as the orders are concerned. Once you, state those facts, then that theory will also fall apart. See, जब 2014 ऑर्डर है सेटा बहुत परे जाइथिबे कि कोविड रे जाइथिबे देखिबे 7 वर्ष परे तेणु सेटा भी जस्टिफाई करि होबन. Just it will simply fall apart. The appearance file to C6 रे appearance ओकलत नाम से भी फाइल से पार्ट सरी होला appearance तापर लिखिए Mr. Ray and standing counsel has obtained instructions from the opposite party authorities. He also refers to the averments made in the writ application. Stop. They submitted that earlier challenging the self-same demand. WPC number 21442 of 2013 was filed, which was disposed of by the coordinate bench on 27/11/2014. Stop. The coordinate bench directed for filing appeal. Stop. Though the appeal period is 60 days provided by the statute, in all probability, this court had granted opportunity to file the appeal and the appeal to be considered on merits. Stop. For the present, the said records are not available for reference. Records of the said writ petition. For the present, records of the said writ petition is not available for reference. Stop. The amount due has further mounted due to imposition of statutory penal interest.
Statutory interest, and as per Honorable Supreme Court, that cannot be reduced, waived, or settled.
Statutory interest, which cannot be reduced, waived, or settled, directed in
Supreme Court decision ta anini. What is India?
What is India? In GOET is GOETZE. In GOET is India. What is India? Dekhi back. Stop. The learned counsel for appearing for the parties, appearing for the petitioner, have adjournment to address. Stop. List in the week commencing 4/5/2026. ଆପଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗଏସ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ what is India, whatever you call it. TZ का मुझे तो गॉयस का है anyway. So सेटर यदि किसी स्कोप देखो तो बाहर
The further edition भी है 2021 रे CBC है.
Reiterated subsequent.
ये subsequent edition पार्टी ना मन नहीं.
गॉयस इंडिया में टैक्स मैटर भी गुड़े अच्छे. इनकम मैटर वो चाहिए common company.
Item C is
Take Mr. Jadipal for the petitioner. Yes, please.
This is a case, my lord, is covered by this honorable court's order. This is a case that I have purchased a land of ITCO, where, my lord, there was a mill. That mill had some outstanding dues with the, my lord, department. For that, my lord, they are not granting me permission to procure paddy, and they have put in a clause, that clause 19.5, I have given that annexure, that guideline, For that, I'll not be for that, I have to deposit 1:1 ratio deposit college otherwise they. For that, this honorable court in several matters has granted order that I'm giving the copies. Where my lord, my friend also was party to the last order by Justice Mishra.
The demand is by revenue, demand by which department?
This is the civil supply department.
In your predecessor,
yes.
Who?
Against
purchased the mill.
I have not purchased the mill. I have not purchased the mill. I have purchased the land taken from the OITCO. I have not purchased the mill.
Then how civil supply can demand it?
That is the strange, my lord. Or not only that, they have already initiated, my lord, certificate OPDR proceeding against him. Thereafter, they also proceeded against me and the OPDR Act. That has been dismissed by the collector. And even though, my lord, this is a strange case, well, unfortunately, they demanded me that with the hope that I have purchased a company and I purchased the land, I have also constructed a mill. With the hope that I will get the permission for procurement of Paddy. They forced me to pay 37 lakhs, that you deposit 37 lakhs without release, we will grant you NOC. Even then, my lord, they have not given. And they have to expire, my lord, the last date of procurement, they will issue order from 31st, my lord. Similar orders have been passed by this honorable court, my lord, that they only say that I will be allowed to participate except the clause number 19.5 in the operational guideline.
Guideline page 19.5.
My lord, page 109. May I read
Mr. Mahanti, what do you say? Of course, orders are there.
Same order by past.
But you no,
counter to file
instruction not regarding this matter.
The counter decide
you should actually, if you want to recover, you suppose there is a due with you. Now, because Mr. Behra is additional standing counsel, he will be issued that notice. Are they flexible? Both are additional standing counsel, both are. So you are making that kind of a. So you must understand that the procedure itself suggests, when it is notice issued to Mr. Behra, that the person who has issued the notice, he does not want to collect the money, but he wants to spend time. That instruction you should get.
But this,
because you also, you also contribute to the administration that way, because they don't understand what they are doing. If the facts were already considered by coordinate bench, I cannot enter further also. But this is saying that if some mill was there and another other problem, second aspect is a matter of serious concern. That you want this person who has established the mill will procure Paddy, accepted money 37 lakhs. Then you are interdicting him on your own act.
I pray let them file a counter so that this point may be decided by your lordship.
Pending
counter state government counter
more counter experience counter
I know a point
attributed to the
I know your lordship's experience at that.
But
so that point side now like but the point should be decided. I understand.
So counter basic basic principle of law
not conceivable, but as a lordship said, it cannot be conceivable.
No, the conceivable only to spend time.
Again. Maybe other reasons also there.
Correct.
Your lordship may
problem which is sir, the people are they are unable to act because they are scared. Yesterday, in that conference, two of the honorable judges have very well spoken about that. Mediation why failing. The day before, 2 days before that, I was just requesting that you take that you also explain them. It's a policy of the, I mean, Supreme Court wants that because they will not take a call because they will be asked, why, who asked you that you go for mediation? And the Honorable Judge of the Supreme Court has said regarding filing of appeals, if appeal is not filed, the officer is haunted. And he has done it for good reasons. He knows it is wastage of time.
Exactly.
Case of pendency अछि. High Court case अभाव अछि विचार हेबा पे. आज आपण गोटे मिल गुडे केस at least माने मिस्टर लेंग मोर से जुरिस्डिक्शन नाही बहुत गुडे केस फाइल हेलानी प्रोक्योरमेंट पाई.
आगे
प्रेडिसेसर जे सेठी तार जार मिल थिला इडको से नहीं थिला मोर से मिल मु किनिमु
मु से जमी नेली ताकि नुआ मिल तयारी करली ना इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज माय लॉर्ड आमको परमिशन ना एतर 70,000 मागे चासी तांको धान ने उठेई परनती जेहेतु मिलर शॉर्टेज ऑफ मिलर्स recently day before yesterday news has come.
Those some of the, I mean, I don't know, Kendra Padal कहले से I am a lawyer but I am also a farmer.
I am
he mentioned that.
So am I, my lord.
Yes. I am no तांकर से कहले they are not procuring. So
मैं मंडी कार्ड करिया बंद कर देली because of the reason, my lord. आगे आखी स्कैन कर नउचंदी आगे 15 दिन 16 दिन मासे हम तो आसिक हम धान पड़ी रहउची नउना केबे को मिलर आसीबो नबो टिल दैट डेट आई एम अंडर मते पूरा अलर्ट रे
प्रॉब्लम पड़ला ना आपनकर मार्केटिंग कमिटी रो स्टोरेज नाही
ना आगे एटा को रास्ता रे एफसीआई रो स्टोरेज टा यूज करले
विथ होप जिंसटा उठी जीवो त आसिला ना
आगे
से जो उठिलानी सो दैट हैज क्रिएटेड अ ह्यूज प्रॉब्लम ना
एफसीआई संगे जो टाई अप ता थिला एफसीआई आगे नै कि एफसीआई स्टोरेज करथले सेमान ता नउतले दैट थिंग दे हैव स्क्रैप
नो जे सेटा जे करिथिले से भाबी करथिले आगे
तो माने किछि माने उल्टा हिते विपरीत है
गेला अप्रोच फॉर at least 5 years for FCA
आगे
along with my senior so I know that scheme but किछि तरह थिला से पर बैग किछि पैसा नोतले किंतु स्टोर कोइ स्टोर थिला
आगे रखुतले इट वाज बेनिफिशियल फॉर एवरीवन माय लॉर्ड
तार डिसएडवांटेजेस थिला बट एडवांटेज
एवरी सिस्टम हैज सम
जो बर्तन प्रॉब्लम हैला जे बहुत मार्केटिंग कमिटी रो the petitioner partnership firm represented through the managing partner. You take your seat. I'll dictate order 2-3 minutes at least.
Obliging.
The managing partner is before this court. Invoking the jurisdiction under Articles 226 and 227 of India. Internally praying for a direction to the opposite parties to allow the petitioner which is a rice milling unit.
Rice miller.
Rice milling unit. For accepting stock of paddy for Kharif marketing season. देखिए into bracket KMS all capital bracket closed 2025-2026. Staff the learned counsel for the petitioner refers to 95 ko lena parag page.
109.
109, sorry. Refers to the operational guidelines issued by the Odisha State Civil Supplies Corporation Limited into bracket a government of Odisha undertaking which is in the activity of the business of procurement of paddy for the KMS 2025-26. 9.4. 9.5 of the said guideline. To bracket annexure 20 to the writ petition comma. Page 102 of the brief bracket closed.
109, my lord.
Miss Suni?
The 109. 19.109.
Author ko pardon sentence ta. 19.5 সেটা বলেছি 9.5 মুডা 91.5 the paragraph 19 the said paragraph is reproduced here in 19 debe page 108 ରେ ଅଛି selection of custom miller then cross 19.5 quote कर देवे para it is submitted that the authorities by relying on paragraph 19.5 as quoted above have not allowed the petitioner miller to procure paddy na accept paddy se davo apno procure paddy purportedly on the ground that the land which has been purchased from Midco by the petitioner
Taken on lease, my lord.
which has been taken on lease the land which has been taken on lease by the petitioner from Industrial Development Corporation of Odisha Limited, a statutory corporation of the state owning the land, was earlier taken on lease by another miller.
One Ma Mangala.
CB Miller. Miller. One. Namely, Ma Mangala rice mills.
Ma Mangala food processors.
Ma Mangala food processors. Which has some amount due to be paid to the corporation as it is contended by the corporation. Stop. Contended what appropriate purchase kariba thik ache. It is submitted that regarding the earlier dues that may be the petitioner miller has no proximate relationship, much less any liability to pay. Stop. The lauded counsel for the petitioner refers to the earlier orders passed by the coordinate bench in similar facts and circumstances, wherein interim orders have been passed. Wherein notices have been issued directing to file counter, and also interim orders have been passed. Stop. Para. Issue notice along with this order. The learned additional standing counsel ऊपर जो appearance देखते हैं J Pal, P K Mahanti. Both Mr. Mahanti in both cases you are there.
Yes, 3 and 4 notice will be issued.
Yes. But sir, you are appearing in this matter, na?
1 and 2 he will.
Sir, Prem Kumar Mahanti 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 5. Number 5 ta apne again na gaya corporation na gaya.
3 to 6 again notice jibo. 3 to 5.
1 and
3, 4, 5 notice.
But General Manager Corporation?
3 to 5 notice jibo.
ଆପଣ କୋଉ ବ୍ରିଫଟା ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କି?
ନାଇଁ 1 2 ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ 5 କହିଲେ?
ନାଇଁ 5 ପାଇଁ ନୋଟିସ ଯିବ। ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ 3, 4 and 5 ନୋଟିସ।
Only 3.
So notice
Before
along with
file
this
notice
order.
ଯିବ ନା?
ऊपर लिखले appearance Mr. P.K. Mahanti AC for 1 and 2. तापरे लिखिबे notice along with Mr. the learned AC upon advance copy served appears on behalf of the OPs 1 and 2 and waives notice. No further notice be issued to the opposite parties 1 and 2. Stop para. Notice be issued to the opposite parties number 3, 4 and 5 by speed post with registration and proof of delivery. Requisites for issuance of notice be filed within 5 working days. Stop. Then IA. 23104. 5665 of 2026. Hard Learned Counsel for the petitioner who reiterates his submissions as noted above. Stop. Issue notice as that above. Accept one set of process fee as well as postal requisites along with the writ application. Stop. Para. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that in view of the earlier order, interim orders passed by the coordinate bench in similar facts and circumstances, the same interim order may be passed. Stop. Para. It's an interim measure. It is directed that the petitioner partnership firm shall be allowed to participate in the paddy procurement for Kharif marketing season into bracket AMS bracket closed 2025-26 in the district of Mayurbhanj. Where Mayurbhanj re? Balasur na kon eta?
Eta Balasur.
District of Balasur.
Balasur.
The district of Balasur. And other districts and any other district if he has been assigned by the authorities. Without being impacted by the dues as alleged to be paid by the Ma Mangala food processing.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବି ଅଛି ସାହୁ ତା ଆଗରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବି ଥିଲା ସାହୁ
or any other
ସାହୁ ଏଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରାଇଜେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ
or any other similar dues which have been indicated by the corporation in their letter dated
my lord
2/26
Last week, 16/25.
2126 my lord.
yes, I is rating.
Page 87.
Letter issued by the opposite party corporation dated 2/1/2026, enclosing the calculation sheet. The matter shall be listed in the week commencing. Notice कर दियो तो returnable date be fixed to 23 April 2026. एटा केबे सीजन टा के जाय चालुची
एटा सर एक्सटेंड हबो अप्रैल पर्यंत चलियो मे रे रखन
डेट बी फिक्स टू 23/4/2026
आज्ञा
लिस्ट इन द वीक कमेंसिंग 4/5/2026
चले 19.5 टा डिले 19.5 से पुनी मिसचिप करी
विदाउट 13.5 रे गोटे प्रॉब्लम अछि बिकॉज़ एतरे कोन एक्जेक्टली अछि मु जानिनी सो बेसिकली इफ सच डिमांड एज फार एज
that will
Section 18 टा is taken care of, then it is
yes within our insisted upon the demand that will deeply oblige. Deeply obliged. Urgent copy, my lord.
I
It is
go to
possible.
counter be filed by the next date. Upon serving copy thereof, counter affidavit shall be filed by the next date by the opposite parties. Upon serving copy thereof on the learned counsel for the petitioner.
Madam, may I pray in course of the day?
Hopefully.
Madam.
Urgent certificate copy you are saying.
Again.
Urgent certificate copy
Urgent
as per rules.
Aye. If your lordship will,
Parties to act upon the copy of the order obtained from the official website.
my lord.
of
If it
this
is uploaded today also, it will be, madam. Most obliged.
There is
Most obliged.
little bit, it is taking time.
No, I understand, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Item 7.
Let me say, doesn't interruption. Mr. Somanath Mishra for the petitioner. Yes.
Lord, the petitioner is a contractor, my lords,
Yes.
who has undertaken work under Dhamra Port, Bhadrak, my lords.
Yes.
Lord, Dhamra Port was not under the cover area of ESI, my lords. So, and my lord, when it was covered, my lord, the ESI authority came to the port, and port authority also insisted all the contractor, because there are around 30-40 contractors working in that Dhamra Port. They had not registered their establishment under the ESI Act, because the Act has no application to them. But when it was made applicable, the principal employer, that is Dhamra Port, directed by the Annexure 1, my lords, those are all this email communication and all that all the establishments should be registered under the ESI Act by 31st of March, or they should apply for registration by 31st of March. That is Annexure 1, page 12, my lords.
31st March 2024.
2026. 2024.
Yes.
My lord, accordingly, the petitioner applied and got his registration by the Annexure 2, my lords, on 4/4/24.
Yes.
And from 4/4/24 onwards till date, I have no dispute with this payment, and they have no dispute with the payment of contribution and all that. When the matter stood thus, my lord, Annexure 3 series came. The petitioner came to know about this Annexure 3 series, that is the garnish order issued to 6 number of banks, my lords. And thereafter Annexure 4, my lords, when the petitioner could not know about this, because he has not received any notice or letter, so he approached the ESI authority and applied for the 45-day order, C18 order, all this, how this demand came. This is around 51 lakhs, my lords. And my lords, the basis is 175 employees. 175 employees were there in 2024. Now, my lord, they have asked to pay this amount from 720 to 324.
Later dated 2/3/26.
Again, this 45-day order, that is
July 2020 to March 2024.
And
so what is the basis, what is the provision in this act regarding the period when they are not registered?
Yes.
Which provision?
Well, that is not there. Now, my lord, I will take your lordship to annex section 1(3), how the ESI Act is made applicable to the establishment and all that. Lordship may kindly see.
ESI Act is debate. Okay. Thank you. The EPF. Yes, please.
Section 1.
1.
Yes. This act may be called Employees Statement Act. It extends to whole of India. Now, my lords, 3. 1(3) is important. It shall come into force on such date or dates as the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, appoint, and different dates may be appointed for different provisions of this act and for different states or for different parts thereof. So, central government has to first issue a notification that the area is covered under the ESI Act.
Yes.
Then thereafter, my lords, once the area is covered, then section 1(4). once the area is covered, my lords, it shall apply in first instance to all factories.
Sorry, order. Yes.
To all factories, including factories belonging to the government, other than seasonal.
Yes.
Other than seasonal establishment.
Yes.
So once the notification is under 1(3) is there, then my lords, all factories are covered.
Yes.
And my lords, section 1(5) says the appropriate government may, in consultation with the corporation, and where the appropriate government is the state government, with the approval of the central government, after giving 1 month notice of its intention to so doing by notification in the official gazette, extend the provisions of this act or any of them to any other establishment. Then
After 1(3), you are referring to 15.
No, action 1(3), 1(4). 1(4) says all factories, once the area is covered, my lords.
Then 1(5).
All factories are covered. Then 1(5) is the provision that the state government or the appropriate government can also include other establishments. Those which are not coming under factory also, they can be covered. But first criteria is 1(3). Then my lords, section 1(6) says that once the act that was not there earlier, it has come into the statute book in 89, my lords.
Yes.
That once the establishment or factory is covered, irrespective of less number of employees, my lord, the ESI contribution has to be paid.
Yes.
Whether it 10 persons are required. Now suppose the 8 persons, so I have to pay for 8 persons.
Yes.
So this is the scheme and all that. Now my lords, here we applied for the registration and we got the registration in 2024.
And when you entered into the contract with the Dhamra Port Authority, it did not require to have ESI.
Nah. Because that was the thing, the admitted fact. Let my learned friend take instruction and all that. This is the position. Annexure 1, after Annexure 1, I applied for a registration. I got the registration on 4/4/24 and 4/4/24 onwards till date I am making the payment. Yes. Now this demand.
Back to that question.
Yes.
Is there any provision in the statute which takes care of the period prior to registration?
Yes, that can. Why I am saying, my lords, in Annexure 2, your lordship will find, though this has been given on 4/4/24. My lords may kindly see. Annexure 2.
Yes, 4/4/24.
4/4/24. But here your lordship will find paragraph 4.
Yes.
With effect from 2/4/14. When the area was, Dhamra Port was not under the coverage of ESI. Now there in this Annexure 2 says your registration is allowed and you are given code number from 4/4, because prior to that I could not have deducted the ESI contribution by my employees.
And this 24 you have not challenged. 4/4/24 or you are challenging here also?
No, not challenging.
Partly.
Yes,
it is in your favor.
Yes. It cannot go back because the act has no application to the Dhamra Port.
But I think they must have referred, they have something in mind.
Yeah, let my land, those things have to come to the picture for your lordship scrutiny and all that. So what has happened, my lords, I have in the 45-day order, because my lords, they are to issue a C18 ad hoc notice that this is the proposal, you have to pay this much, whatever you want to say, you say. And thereafter 45-day proceeding initials. Then 45A order your lordship will find the authority says I have issued notice to the petitioner and the AD card is on record. But my assertion in the writ application, I have not received any letter, though it has been mentioned. Because yesterday matter your lordship first, has mentioned that notice were issued, but thereafter silent.
Actually, they are not trained. Legal practice is that we record notice.
Yes.
Issued. So there, Mr. Amarendra Ray is very fair to that extent.
Yes, that's true. Here, my lords, the record says.
But here there is another technical problem. You are raising another issue. That for the period from 14 to the date of registration.
4/4/24.
So how
that? Yes.
So, is there any case law on that? When prior period, prior to this registration.
My lord, my humble.
It's a notification you have annexed. Dhamra notification.
No, I have not.
I mean that 1-3 notification.
1-3 notification I have not annexed, my lords. It is not within the reach of the petitioner. So my learned friend will assist in that way, my lords. What I am praying, because those, what I humbly submit.
Now regarding the garnish order.
Yes.
So suppose what is the amount, do you know what is the amount kept in the bank?
Oh, yes, that instruction, because yesterday I have taken
You have difficulty in...
Again, here, my lord, 6 banks, they have issued garnish order to 6 banks. And in 2 banks, my lords, I have one bank 2,50,000 and another in 4 lakhs. Total is 6,50,000. All 4 banks, 10,000, 12,000, like that.
So whatever amount is kept today.
Yes. That should be remain intact. As your lord. Further, if I deposit something, that I can operate the bank account for that amount. Today's amount, whichever is in the bank, that will be fixed. I cannot touch that. Your lordship may pass that order also. I have no difficulty. Because my lords, here my lords, they have issued.
Since time is today we have second half is not there.
Sir, please.
No, only prima facie I want to hear Mr. Ray for only one issue. Mr. Ray, is it permitted under the Act for the past period?
No, my
prima facie.
No, my lord.
Okay.
And here, what I found from the writ petition itself, the petitioner was
recording. I'm not recording that you have said that. No, because I'm really, I want that you take instruction, let them come up. You cannot stand for them, so they let them come up and justify their action. But to understand the law, actually.
My lord.
So you are in the same boat as Mr. Mishra, that prior period,
my lord.
Once it is prior to 1-3 notification.
My lord. 1-3 is most. 1-3 is most. And
then followed by 4 and 5.
My lord.
Yes, you are saying that from the records you find?
The petitioner establishment, as per the situation of the petitioner establishment, coverage is made.
Take your seat, Mr. Mishra.
As per their situation of their establishment, coverage has been made. And what I found from the writ petition, the petitioner establishment is not at Dhamra. So petitioner may have do anything outside by employing outside the port area.
Those things you can raise in your.
So all those things can be.
No, that is fine. Then, Mr. Mishra, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mr. Ray. I'm sorry. No, I mean Mr. Ray. So since you are appearing in so many cases, both of you, I am getting mixed. Then Mr. Ray, the first part of your submission, where you very fairly submit regarding the position of law.
My lord.
If you say that area of operation is different,
my lord,
then
maybe.
Correct. But then 1, 3, 4 and 5 becomes OTOs. Once this court says that irrespective of the 1-3 notification, followed by 1-4 and 1-5 notification,
my lord,
if the petitioner is at a place where notification is already there, some other operation, say Odisha High Court.
My lord.
This particular contractor works in Odisha High Court, which is notified, already notified in establishment is notified under the ESI Act. Then easily then 1-3, 1-4, 1-5 need not be looked into even.
Yes.
Once established. So perhaps that is a bit too far-fetched interpretation, but a good point. You have raised a good point, but let us see. Let us see there.
I have already solved 2 copies.
Correct. I'll record that. But I'll say that we will be solved during course of that.
Again. Sir, 1 copy, yesterday I gave a copy, another copy if your lordship want. Because that in this case, your lordship has passed this order, same to stay the garnish order and to.
Yes, that father-son duo. Highest obligation. You convince the son to pay the amount. He is enjoying father's business.
Father old बंद कर देले
बंद करले ताकरा बर्तन फिजियोथेरेपी चले छै ना संतोष फिजियोथेरेपी
किछ एक्सपर्टीज नाही
संतोष फिजियोथेरेपी चले चलु से
संतोष फिजियो पुओ चले
चल जीवन तो से but the facts are different here. Facts it's more intricate question of law.
Sir, etere
yes.
Apna ta alga level ku nahi gani.
Again.
Mr. Ray bhi alga level ku nahi gani.
Please sir, because my lord is there, so I thought.
No.
I should bring.
That way, as I say very often, that once a student of law, always a student of law.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mr. Somnath Mishra for the petitioner. Both of you can take your seat. That take some time in dictating.
Yes, yes.
Mr. Somnath, ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେଟା ହେଲାଣି? କମନ ସାର୍ ନେବେ ନା ଆପଣ ନେବେ? ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। Mr. Somnath Mishra for the petitioner. The petitioner
Online.
is a proprietorship firm represented through its proprietor has approached this court under invoking the jurisdictions under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India, read with Employees State Insurance Act, 1948. The petitioner firm undertakes contract, civil contract work, na kon?
Contract work.
Contract.
Undertakes contract work of different natures. Was a contractor under the Aku party kornanti, Dhamra ku party kornanti. Was engaged as a contractor under the Dhamra Port Trust na kon nata tara?
Dhamra Port.
Na Dhamra Adani Port na kon seta?
Dhamra Port.
Dhamra Port.
Dhamra Port, brother. Because
Dhamra Port.
your lordship will find in Annexure 1.
तो देखा जाऊनी
हाँ सर आप ठीक है बहुत
ओसे मोर अच्छी मोटा 200% हो गई
typically email उधर आप outdated है
My lord, registration made as per Annexure 2.
हाँ पर
That is also not Dhamra.
नहीं no I am recording his submission कौन ताकर background of the case. You are right, he also relies on the 2. He registered. Was working as was engaged as a contractor by the Dhamra Port Trust at Dhamra, Balasur. The Bhadrak. Dhamra is in Bhadrak. Bhadrak. In the district of Bhadrak. Stop. It is submitted that the notifications as contemplated in section 1 of the ESI Act, 1948, that is 13, 14 and 15, were not notified till 2014. Stop. Since the said sections of the ESI Act have would have significance in considering the contentions of the petitioner, they are reproduced herein. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 କରିଦେବେ ସେଟା ଆପଣ ମାନେ ୱେବରୁ ନେଇକି ପେଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେବେ stop. It is submitted that the notification for the Dhamra Port, which bring the port into the under the operation of the ESI Act, as contemplated in section 1(3), after being notified, the petitioner was asked to register under the ESI Act as email were sent. এটা 24 ରେ notify ହେଲା ନା କେବେ କହିଲେ 14 ରେ
24 से कोई दिन 24 मार्च एप्रिल ରୁ କରିବା ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଭିତରେ ଆମେ 24
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଧାମରାଟା କେବେ ହେଲା କହୁଛନ୍ତି 14 ରେ 24 ସେଟା ବୋଧେ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଡେରିରେ ହେଇଛି ମାନେ 24 ରେ କି ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ 23 ରେ ହେଇଥିବ ଇଏସଆଇ କର୍ପୋରେସନ ର ଅଫିସର ମାନେ ଆସିକି ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ଯେ ତମେ ସବୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ପୁଅ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ ଏବଂ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ କଭର କଲା ବେଳେ କହିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 14 ମସିହା
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ 14 ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ସରି ତା ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସବମିଶନ ଟା ମୁଁ ତ 24 ରେ 24 ନୋଟିଫାଇଡ
Yes. 24 ଟିକେ ପଛକୁ ହେଇଥାଇ ପାରେ. Yes, doesn't matter.
କଣ ଲେଖିଲେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଟୁ 24 ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ଡିଟେଲ ପଢ the notification contemplated with them. अरे 13 नुह 1 into bracket 3 about the 13 पट तेवढा का शॉर्ट हैंड काय लिखछन लिखियो 1 into bracket 3 तापरे by email annexed to the writ application 4/4/2024 नहीं सेटा केते ईमेल डेट 28/5/2024
28
इस मार्च हाँ yes 28/3/2024 as well as 4/4/2024 the regional office ESI corporation OP number dash issued letter dated 4/4/24 addressed to the petitioner which at paragraph 4 indicates thus para 4 ta page 15 रे अछि ହେଲା annexure 2 into bracket the annexure 2 लिखते हैं annexure 2 to writ application it is submitted that the requiring the petitioner to comply the act with effect from 2/4/2014 apply the provisions of that provisions of this act from 2/4/2014 cannot be countenanced in law. Stop. The further challenge in the writ application is to the garnish orders into bracket annexure 3 series dated all are 4/2/2026 which have been issued by the ESI authority under section 45 capital G of the ESI Act.
OP number 2.
OP number 2. Read with provision ta dekhi lekhi bhul hechi no. Second and third schedule of Income Tax Act 1961 and next income tax into bracket certificate proceedings bracket post rules 1962. से C18 ad hoc notice से भी चैलेंज करछन खाली 45 एटा चैलेंज कर
annexure 6
the further challenge is to the order dated 6/8/2025 into bracket annexure 6 under section 45 dash capital A of the ESI Act the banks, those who have received the garnishing notices, have been arrayed to the writ application as opposite parties 3 to 8. Mr. Mishra will take notice to the banks.
Sir, for the fact
3 to 8.
they are acting as per this garnish.
Correct. You should notice along with this order. Mr. Amrendra Prasad Ray, Cadet Counsel, from a standing counsel, who usually appears for the opposite parties, 1 and 2 authorities, shall accept notice on behalf of the opposite parties, the said opposite parties. I will mark your presence.
My lord.
Mr. Amrendra Prasad Ray, who usually appears as standing counsel they bring the standing counsel for the opposite party authorities is present in court. Stop. He shall accept notice on behalf of the opposite parties 1 and 2. Stop. Adequate number of copies shall be served on Mr. Ray during course of the day. Stop. The learned standing counsel shall obtain instructions in the matter and file counter affidavit if so advised by the next date. That is, next date stop kar diye. Stop kar diye. Comma. Next date, comma, upon serving copy thereof on the learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. The matter shall be listed in the week commencing 11/5/2026. Listed for admission in the week commencing 11/5/2026. Liberty to mention. Tapar IA number 5479 of 2026. Hard learned counsel for the petitioner. He reiterates his submissions as noted above and makes and seeks for an interim prayer for stay of the annexes, stay of the garnish orders into bracket annexer 3 series. Date उड़ा कर दे देवे लिखी देवे भूल ना लाओ annexer 3 series. 45 days stay करे तो दरकार नहीं
दरकार.
After issuance of notice अर्जुन के जहाँ है ना garnish orders para. The learned standing counsel opposes the prayer for interim order, stating that at this stage the garnish orders may not be stayed. Having issue notice, issue notice issue notice as above, accept one set of process fee as well. No, sorry, issue notice as above. Nothing down. As directed, the learned standing counsel shall accept notice. Extra copy of the IEA shall be served on the learned counsel, standing counsel during course of the stay. Adequate number of it. Now, for the learned standing counsel opposes the prayer for interim order. Stop. Para. Having had learned counsel for the petitioner as well as the learned standing counsel, it is directed that the garnish orders specify dated issued by P2 shall not be given effect to the petitioner is also directed to maintain the bank balance, the balance in all the bank accounts. 6, na?
6.
All the bank accounts held in opposite party number 3 to 8 as on date. Stop. Upon furnishing of the certified copy of this order, the opposite parties number 3 to 8 banks shall maintain the balance as on date, as on today, specify as on today in all the accounts. However, the petitioner shall be allowed to operate those accounts by any further deposits and debits.
And no remittance to the corpus.
Yes.
No,
stop.
So in fact, that is the all objective. During pendency of the application, there shall be no further remittances from all the accounts.
No remittance. No remittance. Further no remittance.
Not giving effect to do he particular question
best part no, you see the fairness. Upon gote garnish order upon niche accounts fix करथिले manpower security the ESI Bhubaneswar account has been garnish order issue करछन
adding against
regional director
my lord.
So that is how, I mean,
टच कर देंगे because he was advising.
उकले में टच कर दो
Two cases.
आप दोनों सीधा पहले भी टच कर दो
Sir, same prayer melody as
that security agency which the providing them their office.
अच्छा.
Yes, please. Yes, yes.
As Mr. Pal, in that case, your lordship may say urgent copy and the act upon.
Urgent certified copy as per rules. The parties shall have the liberty to act upon.
Yes.
The copy of the order obtained from the official website of this court.
Can it be today, my lord, sir?
Yes, yes. Because I understand the tomorrow.
Yes.
But the second half is again I have having.
Sir, I know.
I had a special bench.
No, I'll leave it to you, lord.
But Thursday I didn't realize. Usually the reference is on Friday. Mr. Behra said that tomorrow is the last working day. So that I did not realize. Anyway.
Important to mention, item number 8, my friend mentioned for withdrawal. But I support my
lord. Yes. Yes, I'll pass that on.
My presence for time.
Yeah, of course.
My lord,
Item 9, my lord. Item 9, my lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, item 15.
Yes, 9. Go to second. Patnaik, yes.
My lord. My lord, this is the application your lordship may see. Annexure 4, I have challenged.
Yeah, madam, Sununtu. If you are registering the award, then you have to obtain clear instruction how you will satisfy or secure the decree.
My lord.
So the problem is that once the matter is argued for 1 hour, and if I ask this question, everything fizzles out. And unless I am satisfied, I am not going on a fishing expedition.
No, my lord.
तापरे मिस्टर अभिलाष मिश्रा आसीबे कहबे जे से
No, my lord, your
lordship
I will satisfy your lordship.
No, if there is satisfaction, my hands are tied by the Honorable Apex Court that I cannot have a second opinion.
My lord, your lordship.
So if justice is done, the principle is if justice is done, there is a yes.
My lord.
So आपण सोडून ताहले जदी फुल फ्लेजेड हियरिंग टिके टाइम दियंतु. Now we are already मो पर टिके आउ 5 मिनिट नेबी. So आपण लंच पर आसंतु. जेती समय अछि.
আজি হবো কোন?
केतना बजे कोन अछि? हैं?
Data 3:05 रे रेफरेंस.
3:05 रे रेफरेंस. So 2:45 रे बसियो 12 फटो जियो पड़ो. So सेती हो जा हबो.
2:45 रे आसी.
ना 45 जाय कोर्ट हे परिबो. 45.
My lord, item number 22, man. It's a transfer.
Sir, couldn't this
My
item is mentioned. 15.
Was review filed by the state. In the similar matter, review was rejected. Then they went in read appeal. Read appeal also dismissed.
तांको सर्व करंतु आउट दिन का
They have taken it on.
ठीक अछि.
My lord,
so you did not wait. I will I'll mark your presence. Just sikaro.
my lord, item number 22.
Same order.
The order I am not passing. Let him take instruction. You give him that liberty at least. I mean, sorry, that opportunity.
I don't say.
Se niyantu. Kebe ganima kontu. Kebe anna ho.
Ichi nahi hai se.
5-4. Ne 4-5. Kete kuchu? 4-5. We commenting 4-5.
Already served the copy of the.
Yes.
What is item
से तो आप उन्हें देखिए देवे.
Yes.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କି? ନମ୍ବର ଟା ପକେଇକି ଲେଖିବେ.
Item 22, man.
Yes, 22.
Petitioner is seeking transfer the divorce case from Bhubaneswar to Balangir. I am for the opposite party and I am submitted. I have no objection.
ଗୋଟେ memo ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. Mr. Rasgaria's associate is there.
Yes. No.
नहीं मैडम को के नांती. देखिबा ठीक अछि अपन दियंतु मेमोटा दियंतु आइटम नंबरटा पके देबे 22 लिखि देबे ऊपर just write it. I mean, I am not saying that you will concede anything, but simply mention that as per instruction I have been instructed this. Please, I don't expect that you are conceding anything. I'll record. Yes. Disposed of. I'll pass orders after recess. Yes.
I had item 10, my lord, that.
10. Pass over.
Requisites file late, my lordship. First of all, I have mentioned.
Consider upon कहले जे if you want to continue, I have noted. I'll pass all the orders. Yes.
My lord, your lordship may adjourn this matter because I have some work in work.
Item 9 का date कर दे.
वो कौन सी?
No, my lord.
27 ଭିତରେ ଆସିବ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏତେ ଦିନ ମୋର ଇଏର ଅଛି
Already we are monitoring how many cases have been posted.
ମାନେ ଫ୍ରେଶ ଆଡମିସନ
For April 300 ଅର୍ଡର୍ସ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଟା କେମିତି ଫ୍ରେଶ ହେଇପାରିବ ସେଟା ତ ମୁଁ କରିପାରିବିନି। ସେଟା ଲିଷ୍ଟିଂ ରେ ଅଛି ନା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର କରୁଛି ସେଟା କଣ ହେଇପାରିବ?
ଏଇଟା ଖାଲି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା ନୋଟିସ ଟା
ନୋଟିସ
ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା
ଯିବିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ନୋଟିସ ମୁଁ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଏ ନହେଲେ ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିବିନି ମୋର ଫିସିଂ ଏକ୍ସପିଡିସନ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
ନା ବୁଧବାର
Mr. Prabhu says that I am a vegetarian. So
ବୁଧବାର ରଖନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି
ସେଥିରେ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିକି ଏ ଯୋଉ
ନୋଟିସ ନ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ ବୁଧବାର ଦିନ
before yesterday we were breathing on the necks of all the judges in court. High Court does that dispose of why these matters are kept. Supreme Court has issued direction so why these matrimonial matters are kept pending.
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ ଆଗ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଏ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଟଙ୍କା ନଦେବେ ନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବଟ୍ ସିକ୍ୟୁର କରନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଇ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଟା ଆପଣ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ବୁଧବାର ସାର୍ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ବୁଧବାର
ଅର୍ଡର୍ସ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଗୁଆ ଡେଟ୍ କରିପାରିବେ କେବେ?
ବୁଧବାର ସାର୍
300 ମ୍ୟାଟର୍ସ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ଲାଭ କଣ ହଉଛି? ଲାଭ କଣ ଆପଣ 300 କୁ 320 ଖଣ୍ଡେ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଜି କେତେ ତାରିଖ ହଉଛି? ଆଜି 26 ୱିକ୍ କମେନ୍ସିଂ କେବେ 24 ଭିତରେ ଆସୁ ଆପଣ କେବେ 24 ମନା କଲେ ଆପଣ କେବେ 13 ଭିତରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ 24 କହିଥିଲି
ୱିକ୍ କମେନ୍ସିଂ 24 ଚଳିବ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଟିକେ ପାଖକୁ କଲେ
ଆରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ୱାର୍କିଂ ଡେ ନାହିଁ
ତାପରେ
13 ଭିତରେ କରନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ 13/4
ସାର୍ 14/4 କୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ନା 14 ଟା ଛୁଟି ଆଜ୍ଞା
15/4 ସାର୍ ମୋର
15 କି 16 ଆସିଯିବ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
15/4
ସେଟା ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟଲି ଲେଟ୍ ଅସ୍ ନଟ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ ଏ ଡେଟ୍ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର୍ସ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ବି ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ନହେଲେ ଡିଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଉଛି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ୟେସ୍ 13/4 ଭିତରେ ପକେଇ ଦିଅ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଟା କିଏ ମେନସନ କରିଥିଲେ? ଆଇଟମ ନମ୍ବର 18 ହଁ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ମେନସନ କଲେ ହଁ 11/5 ମତେ ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣ ଦେଖା ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ସେ ଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏ ଅର୍ଡର ଗୁଡାକ ଆଙ୍କର ଦେଇଥିଲା ରାଜେଶ୍ୱର ମୁଁ ପୁଅ ଏଟା ଥୋଇ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ ପଡେ ଏଇଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମର୍ଡରଟା ଡିକ୍ଟେଟ୍ ସେଟା ଆଇଟମ ହଉଛି କେତେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମିଶ୍ର କରୁଥିଲେ ସୋମନାଥ ମିଶ୍ର password na regular? Password. Mr. R.K. Sahoo for the petitioner. Mr. Memo ରଖିଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଲାଗିଛି Mr. Balakrishna M. Balakrishna Rao for the opposite party. Memo dated 23/3/2026 23/3/2026 is on record filed by the London Council for the petitioner. Which states thus. Memo shall be taken on record. Scan copy be updated. Then para. The coordinate bench had issued notice by order dated 29.10.2025 in the revision application. Pursuant to the said notice, the opposite party wife in the marriage has entered appearance. The revision of application has been filed by the husband in the marriage seeking revision of the judgment dated 20.05.2025. Passed by the Learned Judge Family Court Dhenkana in CR.P. number 52 of 2024. Stop. The said petition was filed by the wife in the marriage. The petition was favored. Granting monthly maintenance at the rate of rupees 12,000 with effect from the date of filing of the application. That is 5/4/2024. Stop. In view of the above, in view of the memo file, the petition is disposed of. Copy of this order shall be forwarded to the Learned Judge Family Court, Dhenkana, to be kept in the records of so and so, so and so. Stop. Yes, next.
Item 10.
Mr. Abhilash Misra for the petitioner. Office note put up by the registry indicates that pursuant to the order dated 9/2/2026 issuing notice, the requisites have been filed late on 26/2/2026. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that due to inadvertence, the requisites have been filed late and the same may be accepted. Stop. Para. Prayer is allowed. Registry shall verify and proceed in the matter for issuance of notice to the opposite party as directed by order dated 09.02.2026. Returnable date be fixed to fixed to 20/4/2026. The matter shall be listed in the week commencing 27/4/2026. Stop. The interim order dated 9/2/2026 passed in IR number 27/4/2026 is reiterated. Stop. The CP number 31 of 2025 pending before the Court of Learned Judge Family Court Kolahandi at Bhavani Patna shall be adjourned to a date beyond 4/5/2026 as would be convenient to the Learned Court in season of the matter. On a prayer being made for the said purpose. Stop. Next call korantu.
Item 15.
Mr. Prabhu, 15 Mr. Lenka, Mr. 15 you are there or Mr. Prabhu? Mr. Prabhu Prasanna Behra, Additional Standing Counsel for the review petitioner. Mr. S.K. Ratha for the opposite party. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel, Mr. Ratha for the opposite party, that counsel for the opposite party now repeat karantu me that the similar review application has already been considered by the coordinate bench.
Yes.
That is RBWPT number.
The reviewer is thereafter.
Review number ta. अच्छा ठीक है has been considered by the coordinate bench and it has been dismissed. Stuff. Read the appeal number W8
339 of 2025.
339 of 2025 filed by the appellant state has also been dismissed.
Right order 31 2026.
Right order dated 13/1/2026. The copy of the said order in writ appeal is served on the learned counsel for the learned additional standing counsel for the appellant state and is filed before this court. Stop. The learned counsel, the learned AC for the review petitioner shall obtain instructions in the matter. Stop. List in the week commencing 4/5/2026.
Item 22.
Anyone from Ms. Rasgaria chamber? Please. Your name, sir? You are Jadev Misra. You have appeared?
Opposite party.
Ms. R. Rasgaria for the petitioner. Mr. Jadev Misra for the opposite party. Pursuant to the notices issued, you come to the front, take your seat. Pursuant to the notices issued by this court by order dated now 2/2026, the opposite party, husband in the marriage, has appeared. By filing wakalatnama. The learned counsel, Mr. Jadev Misra, appearing for the opposite party, files memo, which states thus. Para. The memo shall be stated on taken on record, scanned copy be updated. Para. Accordingly, it is directed that the CP number 31 of 2025, pending before the learned judge, Family Court, Kalahandi at Bhavani Patna.
32.
32. 31 ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଆଗକୁ ଆସି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡ ଆପଣ just use the paperless that is meant for you only
203.
item 22 ଟା କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ
22.
annexure 1 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ annexure 1 ଟା କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ 31
32.
to 31 CPT 31 Mr. Bera
CP 32 is which?
correct
May I read the party's name in it?
maybe I have opened another brief
At page 12.
no alga brief acha okay sorry I have opened another brief से कौन है कि 31 32 पाखापाखि ହେଇଗଲା so CP number 32 of 2025, pending before the learned judge, Family Court, dash capital Roman I, comma Bhubaneswar. Shall be transferred to the learned to the court of the learned judge, Family Court, Balangir. Stop. Copy of this order shall be forwarded to the Learned Judge Family Court -1 Bhubaneswar and Learned Judge Family Court Balangir to do the needful stuff. It is also directed that the parties shall cooperate in sincerely prosecuting the matter. Stop. The petition is allowed and disposed of. Stop.
I'm little late.
Where
the gown?
Apollo Nada, sir?
Yes, Surendu Kumar Bhai.
Mr. Behra. Okay. Subhen S.K. Behra.
Yes, sir.
Mr.
On the way.
M.S. Ruchi Rasgharia along with S.K. Behra.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, next. Yes. Specialist केतना लोग अच्छी? अच्छा. Yes. Yes, call. So what we can do best in the special list? We'll post it on Monday. To who?
My lords, Lordship, may pardon my condone my appearance on VC, my lords.
And this report has been directed, no coercive action taken. Let's see, the director will issue to the appellate authority to dispose of. Give them the.
I mean, that is Mr. Lenka, but the problem is that I would have passed that order on the fast date because I have noticed that. Yes. But since it was passed by the coordinate bench, usually when I see a order by the coordinate bench, I have to. It is nothing special. I have to deal that with deference. So because now suppose I adjudicate, when the appeal is pending, what I will adjudicate? Yes. So that is how, in fact, at times, but what exactly, and even assuming that I exercise 226. 226, suppose I exercise, then what I will decide when there is no determination. So how much time you will take there? You suggest, both of you suggest and file that memo that you will cooperate.
Item 1. Minus 1, 2, 3, I am appearing on VC.
I am not asking you to be, stringent in there. You take reasonable time, but cooperate.
Yes, yes, ma'am. My lords, am I audible, my lords?
So that 3 months? 3 months. 3 months.
My lords, am I audible, my lords?
Kitna matter achi? Jonaka pakare. 3 appeals. Jonaka pakare achi. At this is central limit. Acha, CJ authority who is having, revenue authorities have this problem. They have too many cases.
My lords, am I audible? Am I audible, my lords?
Where is Miss Pradhan?
My lords, I am also.
Please don't get distracted. I am asking her that whether Mr. Palut has recovered, because I suggested that. Because
my lords, I am here.
I got yes, sir. Sir. You are Mr. Kejriwal.
He is appearing through VC, but he is unable to speak up.
Yes, please.
My lords, I am here. Am I audible?
Yes. Since it is a targeted matter, so make some arrows.
Yes.
And if you did you join at because we started around back 3, 4, 5 minutes back.
I have been watching the proceedings.
Okay. When Mr. Lenka is saying about both Mr. Lenkas, actually, the Learned Council, the Lenkas are today in song.
No, I could not follow.
I think he's senior.
My learned senior's submissions, I could not actually catch him what he was suggesting.
So here, Mr. Lenka is now looking at the designated Palit, senior Palit. Mr. Lenka, I in this college days, I have some background. So that is why I said that. Mr. Niranjan Lenka is senior to you, I think.
No way, much.
No, you are senior. You are very, very senior.
Mr. Lenka is senior to me, sufficiently senior.
So then, yes, not
I think in the case of Mr. Palit is appearing, well, in that case, perhaps the appeal is pending. That
Correct. No.
Yes,
Whether he has had it or not, that I was.
yes, that.
Since it is pending before the RDC, that keeping the matter pending here is leading to nowhere.
No, no appeal is pending, my lordship. My case, there's no appeal
Correct, sir.
pending.
Correct.
I am directly
No.
here before your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Palit.
My lords, I am directly here before your lordship. So
There is little bit of confusion. Actually 4, 5, 6 were taken up.
Yes.
I started saying about 1, 2, 3. So that is the confusion. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Senior Mr. Lenka has said that this point that it is pending before the RDC. So pending here, this court, is not taking up effectively any matter because they are awaiting the determination by the RDC. So in your case, any such possibility? So that
my case has to be heard, my lords, on merits here before your lordship, my lord. My entire my point is we have not been noticed.
Okay.
So your lordship may hear it whenever your lordship.
30 since there is a time. So the court has directed to file application for extension.
My lord, in case I'll file an application for extension if you.
So you have to because today there is not possible.
So I'll file an application for extension on Monday.
Before the Honorable Apex Court.
No, not Apex Court, my lord.
Apex Court now.
That matter is coming on 2nd April before the apex. And the order says.
The order was possibly. I think I'm not very clear about the order.
No. Actually, somehow the switch. Mr. Senior Mr. Lenka's audio is off.
No, my case is different in the sense that, my lords, Supreme Court has said you make an effort to dispose it off.
Correct. So that matter is Mr. D.N. Lenka's instruction is that is coming on 2nd April.
2nd April before the Supreme Court.
Court. So make a positive effort to file an application or at least take a oral order, whatever way, extending the time.
No, my lords, my difficulty is there is no mandate on me to file an extension before the Supreme Court. Because I was directly here before the High Court. The state is to file an application for extension. Why it was not possible to complete?
If it can be done at your behest, or you can simply mention that way.
I am not a party also there. I'm not even a party in those proceedings. Who'll entertain my application, my lord? That's
No, they will not.
So therefore, my request
when you are not a party, the court will not entertain.
They will not. They just not accept
it. On April 2, I will be posting it next week, definitely.
Lordship, I post it to next week, on 2nd itself. So that I can start the argument at least.
Mr. Palit, don't take chance with 2nd. Like today, I didn't realize it is the last working day.
No, I'll try to be physically present.
Second, that possible that there will be no court.
Okay. How about 6th then? 6th?
30 so that we have to also show deference to the timeline by the court by 30th March.
If it is not over, then we can post it.
The Honorable Apex Court is conscious of that fact that it may spill over or it will take time. So it has observed it.
Let it start on 30th. That's fair enough. Fair enough. So 30th minutes, can we have it at 3:30?
3 p.m.
3 p.m. No, I have one more part-heard matter. We'll have it at 3 p.m.
No, only advantage is that this is the same bench taking up my bench, then the special bench. Spillover time is not a difficulty.
No, absolutely not. Absolutely.
So that way, otherwise, then it would have been still more difficult.
My lord. So that convenience is always there. Convenience is always. My lord. So have it on 30th minutes.
4, 5, 6, I'm passing order.
Yes.
Just wait for some time. I'll just pass the 4, 5, 6. Then I'll take up your matter.
Grateful.
Ore lekhuntu. order number 14. So that jaldi ho. 14 order number 14 देखिए और dated 22/1/26 para 1, para 2, 3, 4. Six, 7, para 7 পরে লিখবে Mr. AG. Mr. DL, the Lord AG, on behalf of the opposite party, submits that he has filed counters in response to the writ petition at the তারপর লিখবে so that you save time. Again and again repeat करो. अभी काली छुट्टी कर. So तापर लिखिए it is as has been stated at the bar, the appeal before the certificate appeal number 08 of 2019 এটা अलग अलग ऑर्डर होगा तो इसके नंबरটা चेक करिए. ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତ ଗୋଟେ ପେପରରେ ରିଟ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଆପିଲ ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖିକି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କ୍ରସ୍ ଚେକ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. is pending before the Revenue Divisional Commissioner Central Zone Cuttack. The pendency of this writ petition has interdicted the said proceeding. Stop. Para. In view of the above, it is directed the Revenue Divisional Commissioner into bracket Central Zone shall proceed with the appeal in accordance with law. Stop. The parties shall appear before the Revenue Divisional Commissioner Central Zone on on 10/4/2026 along with certified copy of this order. The RDC is requested to grant further 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time, 3 weeks time to the parties to complete the pleadings. Stop. If any requirement of any rejoinder or surrender will be there, the same shall be completed within 2 weeks thereafter. Then para. The parties shall have the absolute liberty to take any stand before the RDC Stop. This court has not expressed any opinion regarding the respective contentions of the parties in the present writ application. Stop. Urgent, accordingly, the writ application is disposed of. Urgent certified copy as per rules. The parties have the liberty to act upon the copy obtained from the official website of this court. ଆଜି ହଉଛି କେତେ ତାରିଖ? 26 ଆପଣ 10 କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ ଅଛି ହେଇଯିବ. छुट्टी हेलारु बर्तमान प्रॉब्लम हबो अपलोड हे जे किंतु केना आज गुटे इंटरिम ऑर्डर भी अछि केतेटा करिया पड़ियो
till disposal.
19/4/2024 जो डिस्पोजल पूर्व रेट आई सॉर्ट ऑफ para 6 search. The following interim order was granted by the order dated order number 1 dated 19/4/2024 para 6 stop. Quote column तापर लिखिए the above interim order shall continue during the pendency of the appeal before the RDC Central Division till disposal of the appeals. Please. Yes.
In item number 6, my lord, it will be dated 20th of May 2024.
चेक करिए पड़ो इके जदि आपण गोटे स्लिप रे कर दियंतु नै मु सेटा से करिवे मु भी चेक करिवि बट आपण भी क्रॉस चेक पाई आपण गोटे लिस्ट कर देथन इंटरिम ऑर्डर ता केते केस नंबर केते अपील नंबर केते सबुडा का 10 रे रहइबो द जो तपरे जो लिखले shall have the liberty upon लिखले this court has not expressed it is also it is directed that the parties shall cooperate in sincerely prosecuting matter in the appeal. The appeal shall be disposed of within a period of 4 months. 4 months from 10/4/2024. ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଡେଟ୍ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ତ ସରିଗଲା ଆଡଭାନ୍ଟେଜ ହଉଛି ଯେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆଜି ଟଙ୍କେଟେଡ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ହେଇଗଲା
ଆସୁଆ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ମୋର କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଠିକ
ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଥିଲା ଆଡଜର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା କି
ହଁ ଆଡଜର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ
ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ କମ୍ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଏଇଟା ଚାଲିଛି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବେଞ୍ଚରେ 1 2 3 ମ୍ୟାଟର ଟା ପାସ୍ ଓଭର ହେଇକି ମିଷ୍ଟର ଲେଙ୍କାଙ୍କର 4 5 6 ଚାଲିଥିଲା ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗିଭ୍ ମି 1 more minute ମାନେ ସରିଲା Mr. Palit, in your matter also, this can, why I was drawing your attention, this interim order of protection can continue till disposal of the appeal. So if you are thinking about appeal and adjourn, because churning out of more facts perhaps is better in the appeal. Pleadings also to certain extent.
No, this is something fundamental.
No, I understand. No, you see, I'm simply adjourning your matter. I wanted to draw your attention because as far as the freedom of a appellate authority of entertaining pleadings is much wider than you are raising a fundamental issue. I appreciate. No difficulty.
That's the only difficulty. Let me try to at least endeavor to satisfy your lordship on Monday.
No, I think the same pleas can be taken before the appellate authority.
I'll try to explain.
And I mean, from the perspective of a lawyer, if he rejects those contentions, then it gets more kind of crystallized. If he accepts, then the other party may argue.
No, the difficulty is he'll insist on a deposit of 92 crores.
Okay.
That is the whole difficulty. And the certificate is in the name of a dead man, dead person. Substitution also we have not been noticed.
No,
we have not been noticed on
they have observed in one order. Fact, I have noticed that. They have observed in order that this is against a dead man. They have observed themselves.
Mallards.
So
Then mallards. Although those issues I would like
paucity of time intervenes.
Mallards.
Due to the full court reference to be held as per the direction as per the schedule due to unfortunate passing away of members of the Bar Association. So, the matter shall be listed as is today on PDC 3/2026 marked at 3 PM. अपन लिस्ट आई रिपीट करिवे हला से स्पेशलिस्ट जोटा चीफ साहब को डायरेक्शन अछि कर देता आइटम 20 मिस्टर मिश्रा एटा 1 2 3 रे योर टाइम मिस्टर अपीयरेंस है शेयर है Mr. Subir Palit, senior advocate, along with Mr.
Miss A. Pradhan.
Miss A. Pradhan, your name?
Shritam Mahanti.
Shritam
Sorry?
Shritam Mahanti, madam.
Mr. S. Mahan. Arunima Pradhan, Shritam Mahanti. Sorry. Coming back.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order as passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Mal.
ठीक है आर फाइल टा खोलिबे हमरा एठी पट्ट परिवर्तन हबो ताको कंट्रोल ले
Yeah, all the three matters, separate orders are there.
separate orders yes as only first date there was a unified order
Matters.
thereafter they are listing it separately so that it becomes easier also to dictate the orders.
Mal. Great. Great.
Mr. Siddharth Misra for the petitioner. Opposite party blank. Mr. Rat Singh is there. Blank of this. Paucity of time intervenes. The learned stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner mentions the matter regarding extension of the interim order. Stop. The interim order dated 14/11/2025 is reiterated. Stop. तापरे जो upon a prayer being made for so and so date कर देबे अपन एटा केबे आसिले हबो पेज टा listing the week shall be adjourned beyond a date 11/5 the matter shall be listed in the week commencing 4/5 माने सेठी हबो beyond 11/5 right yes 4/5 Mr. Mishra.
To make a mention.
Yes, Mr. Bhuya.
Item number 29, my lord, the interim order was still this week. Well, I'm praying for it to be extended.
29?
Again.
See, Mr. Paucity of time, wherever there is interim order not touched, it will continue, no difficulty. Asha, urgent till then. Paucity of time intervenes. Stop. The Lord counsel for the petitioner, it has been the Saurabh Subram Bhuya for the petitioner. Item 29 ko na?
Again.
29. The Lord counsel for the petitioner mentions the matter before end of the day's proceeding for extension of the interim order. Before end of the day's proceeding. से कर देबे एटा केबे रखिबे से 4/5 ना केबे कर वी कमेंसिंग 4/5 इट शैल बी adjourned beyond 11/5
Much obliged.
doubt है we have to go to the other side